As you can hear the background music of Iana singing ABCD. This is a 0.6, 0.7 mile trail. Based on the scaling that they had, this one they said is moderate because there are some steep climbs. So no strollers, no wheelchairs, dogs need to be on a leash. There is another trail called the Discovery Trail, which is more kids friendly. I think that was 0.4 miles, but dogs unfortunately I don't think are allowed on that one because there are animals that they rescue that you could find in those trails. But we can hear the waterfall, so that is motivating us to keep going, because I don't know about the others, I'm tired, but yeah, already. Emmanuel being funny, but yeah, Spunky's still on my back, but yeah, we're gonna walk, show you the trail, make it to the waterfall, and then make it back. Alright, latest update, Spunky's off me, but this one's on me now. So, but she is being carried because we have some steep roads. Alright, we finally are near the waterfall. We made it. And we're also waiting for them. Go, 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 go. Let's go. Go, go, go. Go. Go, Spunky, go. You can do it. You can do it. Go, go, go. If you want to go to the top, you take these staircases and go all the way up top, which we're not doing. We are definitely tired. And here comes the rest of the crew. But yeah, this view is
water that's
beautiful.
spraying everywhere.
I know, isn't it nice?
It's like sprinkles.
What do you think of the view?
Very nice.
Very nice?
It's a bird. It's a bird. It's a bird.
It's a bird. Alright, taking the last few steps to the view. And with this, we have made it. Trying my best not to trip. recently. Alright, going down now. Back walking the 0.7 miles. Emmanuel and I will go ahead and get the car. This is a place where you can easily pick up family members who don't want to make the extra walk up the steps. So, yeah. One thing to note is if you are going up to the waterfall, there are some steep spots. There are a couple of places that are not, I would say, trail friendly. Jagged rocks, and you have to navigate through them. So if you are with a child, elderly people, definitely something to watch out for. Also, another thing to watch out for is with kids, there are no rails. So if you see, it's a steep way down. So you really have to be careful. You know, kids could easily just go over, slip, fall. I have a manual next to me. But yeah, definitely bring some snacks, water. If you feel like you need to refuel on those, the little like gift shop that they have does have snacks, does have water, Gatorade, things like that. We got electrolyte water, which was really good. But again, something to watch out for. I wish they had rails over here, just so that little kids don't go running away. But then again, if you are on a trail like this, going up a mountain, down a mountain, I guess it is kind of obvious that you do need to watch out for your kids and people in your group. So, but again, if you're a novice trekker like us, these are definitely things that can, you know, pop out in front of your eyes. Newsflash, I got this one going down now. The moment I let Spunky off the bag, this one jumps on me. Why? Why? You tired?
Yeah.
Okay.
The dum-dum.
You having dum-dum? Okay. You ready to go home?
No, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go to holiday.
Okay, we're ready to go to the holiday. Alright, say bye.
Bye.
Alright, voiceover Avi here with a little bonus footage. This place is called the Rainbow Bridge. It is about 5 minutes away from the Chimney Rock State Park, and if you own a pet, you know the significance of the Rainbow Bridge. We came here, we saw a bunch of collars, a bunch of tags, people paying respect to their beloved best friends that have departed Earth and are on to fresher and greener pastures and meadows. Bringing Spunky here was a little bit sad for us because I know Spunky is getting old. Nonetheless, it was really nice and peaceful and heartwarming to come and see such a sight. So with that, finally, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys, as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and always stay blessed.